Hello, young scientists. Today we're stepping into the future, an AI-powered laboratory. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It means computers can think and learn like us. In these labs, robots and computers work together. They help scientists do amazing things. Imagine a place where discoveries happen faster than ever before. Get ready for an exciting adventure. Let's explore this awesome world of science. Step inside and you'll notice the difference right away. The AI lab is super clean and bright. Shiny surfaces and cool gadgets are everywhere. The air is fresh and everything is well organized. It's a perfect place for important scientific work. Everything is designed to help scientists focus on their research. No clutter here. In the AI lab, robots are scientists' best friends. These aren't the robots you see in movies, though. They are smart machines that follow instructions. Some robots move things around. They carry test tubes and tools to different workstations. Other robots use lasers and sensors for their tasks. They can even analyze samples under a microscope. Look! There's a giant screen in the middle of the lab. It shows colorful images of tiny molecules. This screen helps scientists understand how things work at a very small level. They can study DNA, proteins, and other building blocks of life. With AI, scientists can run simulations and test their ideas on the screen. It's like having a superpower that helps them make new discoveries.